Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Funtouch OS 15 with updates and required permissions. Once done, unlock the device and go straight to Settings. Tap Accessibility and locate Circle Search. You must grant storage, microphone, and overlay permissions so the feature can capture and analyze screen content. Now enable the Circle Search toggle and accept any on-screen prompts. Make sure to allow the floating tool to appear over apps. Without that overlay, the gesture won't launch the search circle reliably. You trigger Circle Search using either the floating bubble or the two-finger circle gesture. Pick whichever is faster for you. Once active, draw a neat circle around the text or image you want. Keep your fingers steady for about 0.5 to 1 second so OCR can focus. After you release, the system processes the capture, then displays options like search, translate, or copy. If you need different results, adjust the selection area and repeat, because a tighter circle yields cleaner OCR and more accurate matches. You finish by refining and acting on results. Tap Select to tweak the capture area, then choose Translate, Open Link, or Copy depending on your goal. Make sure language settings inside Circle Search match the text language to boost accuracy. Change them if translations look wrong. If Circle Search fails to respond, restart the hosting app, re-enable overlay and microphone permissions, or reboot the phone. That one troubleshooting tip, recheck permissions, solves most issues quickly, because denied permissions block.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.